People love to talk a lot about Shinjuku, Shibuya, Tokyo stations, all these, but I think I just said GoPro. It's not even a GoPro. But I swear, one of the most confusing stations for me, Ikebukuro Station. We're now in Ikebukuro Station. Every time I've been in here, I struggled, and I'm already struggling again. Mostly just to find whatever exit I need. Book off. Okay, I somehow went the right direction. Yeah, I sniffed it out. I'm not supposed to be in here, but I'm fueling my addiction. What am I doing? Cordelia's supposed to stop me. She's not stopping me. Oh. Loteria! Loteria is the Korean, like, McDonald's, basically.
Oh my god, this is pretty.
I think Cordelia's liking Ikebukuro so far.
It's either shops or cafes. What's not one?
I've never been to Ikebukuro in the daytime before, so it's interesting. This is actually my third time in Ikebukuro. We're headed to Book Off currently because I honestly came to Japan because I want manga.
Lots of it, not just one or four, 20.
Yeah,
Full
20.
collection.
Dude, Shibuya Crossing all over again, oh my god.
So, my favorite, my melody, this is her sister, My Sweet Piano.
She has a sister?
Yeah. Like a lamb.
Book off, here we go, book off. We want more, book off. Give me books. Every day I need books.
Oh, isn't that Sanji's sister? No, that I want.
She found Androids. First time in Book Off, by the way. Welcome. Puyo Puyo Tetris 2. Dude, guys, this packaging for this Dragon Quest 11 is so cool, man. I really love it. Okay, so Book Off is all a secondhand store. It's really a secondhand bookstore, but they have so much other stuff. And this is definitely the biggest one I've been in. Here we're passing a lot of, I don't even know, pins, looks like.
It's not translating any of it.
Guys, Japanese Twilight. Should we get it? Okay guys, I'm a stupid big Lost fan and they have all of it in Japanese. I would never buy this because I can't bring all that home, but that's awesome. Cordelia just found something they sell in US that she's been wanting. That's like 25, 30 bucks in US, and here it's 8 or 10. Depending on which one you get. Yeah, 10 max. Of course it's used, but still, like, who cares? They're so well taken care of here, literally who cares? What is it? No! Buy that. How much is it?
900.
Dude, it's nothing. It's literally nothing. You gotta get that.
I'm not sure if they'd want. They'd probably find. Wait. Or was it Todoroki or Deku? Why is your character so.
Alright, we finished on the bottom floor. Spent 10,000 yen. And now we're on the second floor, which is all the manga. I have not even made it to the manga yet. See? How do I bring these home? How do I bring these home?
I'll find the one.
Dude, we're in Book Off and they're playing Stay With Me. This is a true Japan experience right now. Oh shoot.
I can't open it, but that looks.
Bring it up here. Zelda, baby. At least Conan locked down like the style for their covers early. Well, we left Book Off. I didn't buy any books. I guess because this is in Ikebukuro in Tokyo, you know, it's such a popular Book Off. Like, there's a lot of stuff I couldn't find some of the stuff I wanted, and then with some of the stuff I wanted, just they'd have all of it, but like volume 1 and 2. It's like all the other tourists, I'm guessing, are coming and buying with the first couple volumes. We'll look again in Fukuoka. We stopped in Uniqlo really quick because she had to go to the bathroom, and there's like way more stuff here than the one we went to. We had read that one was like the best one in Shinjuku, but I really don't think it is. There's definitely more stuff at this one in Ikebukuro. visiting another super potato right now, the Ikebukuro location. Oh, it's much less dim and dingy in here. Wait, have I been in here? I think I came in here with Nate. Or maybe not, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. If I was, we didn't know what it was.
Where's the white Pikmin? They got everybody with the white.
Dang, got the white Pikmin effed up. What is it? Dude!
I don't know if it's used. Oh,
Looks new.
yeah, no, it is. Hold on.
It's used? It looks new.
Plastic's gone from the first film plastic. Hold on. Well, you're right, but where's... Oh, wait, I forgot what these
think
Kirby
he's
ones,
new.
they don't.
Dude, Japanese Banjo-Kazooie. Look at that Omega Shinron, dude. Jesus. And Bon Clay. Alright, we are now headed to Sunshine City Mall. And we have a ton of stuff. Huge bag, just full. The mall closes in like a little less than 2 hours. Hopefully we have time to see everything we want to see there. Dude, all that chicken. Dude, look at that black chicken.
Oh.
That looks not tasty. We have arrived at Sunshine City Mall. We don't have long, but let's see what we can do.
There's an Animate Cafe as well.
Animate Cafe? What the hell? I don't even know what that would be. Dude, third mall for today. Jesus. Yeah, I did.
Audio probably is really bad.
Yeah, probably. To anyone who doesn't know, Cordelia cosplayed this Nami. So these all hook together then.
It reminds me of Sweethearts with roses.
I own that manga.
You should
In
own
Japanese.
this too.
Let me see all of them.
I think that's it. There's the 3 of them.
Look guys, he's a trash can. Amazing. She's a chimchar lover, guys.
I can't read.
That's her favorite. My favorite is... Wait,
Where is he?
Jin 2?
I think he's on the other one.
Oh, he is. He's over here. I'm a water Pokemon guy, so I played him. I play him, Piplup, Oshawott. Don't remember his name, but I played him.
Is he not over?
Dude, I don't know. We finished the Mugiwara store, and now we're going into Pikachu Sweets, which sells the food from the Pokemon Cafe without you needing to wait, make a reservation, actually go to the Pokemon Cafe.
Ooh, bubbly, fuzzy mango tropical ice cream float.
Pointy guys, let's go!
Oh.
Oh, Pointy guys, got t-shirt for you! Go, go! Okay, Pointy guys, stop! T-body finish! Yay!
Mine's just milk tea, apparently. Oh, yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's fine.
What flavor is it?
Milk tea.
Just milk tea?
It's just milk tea flavor.
What?
It needs the boba. It's not life-changing. I bet Cordelia's will be better. Is it good?
Oh yeah, you're missing out.
It's better than mine? Let me
Oh
try.
yeah.
Okay, that's pretty
Snap.
good. It's carbonated. That's weird.
Yeah, soda. That's a good one.
Guys, baby Donald. He's so adorable. Oh my god.
Isn't that cute?
That's so cute. Snoopy, what are you doing? For those who don't know, Japan is obsessed with Snoopy. So, freaking Snoopy Land or whatever this was called. Also, there's a Pokemon Center next door, and there's like hardly anybody in it compared to, where were we? Shibuya?
Yeah.
Dude, just don't even shop in Shibuya. I'm convinced at this point it's not even worth it. Go visit for like fun and then go somewhere else. There's my boy. That's my Pokemon, my Starner.
Look who's better.
That's not, yours would literally lose in a battle, man. That wouldn't happen.
Fire, bam,
He wouldn't be hurt. It'd be not affected. Look at the sleeping Dragonite. That's really cute. Nate, brother, thinking of you, man. Thinking of you. Remember that huge line in Shibuya? Really wish I would have come here for the launch of any other Pokemon. Shout out to Abroad in Japan, literally one of my favorite YouTubers back from before I ever even came to Japan. Amazing. And this is his book. I'm curious to read it, but it's also 3,000 yen. We are being fat Americans. We are in McDonald's. We were looking around at the food in the mall and we're just like, eh. Yeah, and I was like, McDonald's? Thinking she'd be like, no way. And she was like, yeah.
Today was just American Day. Statue of Liberty, Taco Bell for lunch, and now McDonald's for dinner.
That's true, that's true. Bro, snacks. Okay, don't screw this up.
I'm gonna mess it up.
Everything's on you.
What? You were supposed to do this.
I mean, it's pretty easy. Yeah. There's no forward or back, basically. He's right at the edge. Yeah, you got him. As long as it gives you a strong grab. It didn't. All right, attempt number 2.
I'm gonna go more for the upper box. Oh.
That's pretty decent.
Okay,
Oh, he got closer. He got closer.
I need to just waste all doing this round.
Is this the last one you're doing?
We'll see. Should spin.
Or you may get
I
him.
hate these. I think these are stupid.
Okay, we're in Don Quixote. My plan from the beginning is what a ton of foreigners do. I'm gonna buy a luggage here to put stuff in. I did not bring a checked bag when I came to Japan because I didn't have enough stuff. It would have been pointless. And I don't really have one like this at all. This is a good opportunity to buy one.
More my size.
Alright, we bought this one, or I bought this one. And we put our bag that we had in it, so this is all we gotta bring home now. And we're going home. Well guys, somewhere along the way the ND filter that goes on my camera got knocked off. It's a magnet. I don't know how, so that really blows. It basically just means that for the rest of the trip I don't have it. And I can't like control the brightness as well. And if anyone knows anything about cameras, you know what it means. It's really hard to explain to someone that doesn't know anything about cameras, but it just kind of sucks. It doesn't like ruin the trip or anything. It just kind of sucks. We're like halfway home now, and I probably lost it on the last train or something. I have no clue where it could be. We are headed down near our area. I love our area we're staying in because it's so like
Rural Japan?
well, no, I mean we're in the middle of the dang city, but for some reason it's just like so chill and peaceful in this area. That's the great thing about staying on an Airbnb. But yeah, there's like hardly anyone on the street. I mean, there's a couple people behind us now, but there's hardly anybody. It's awesome. Guys, our Airbnb is ending up full of so much stuff. All these bags are full of crap that we've bought. And she is still messing with other stuff that's been bought. Japan is a treasure trove.